Did you know that in the past year, extreme weather events have caused billions in damages worldwide? Imagine what happens when a storm like that hits the tallest building on the planet. Welcome back, explorers. Today we're diving into the thrilling encounter between Storm Yagi and the tallest building in the world. This was no ordinary storm, and what happened next will leave you speechless. Stay tuned for all the jaw-dropping details. Now, imagine being inside the tallest building during one of the most intense storms of the year. Storm Yagi wasn't just any storm, it posed a major challenge to this engineering marvel. The winds, rain, and pressure changes that these buildings face during such events are no joke. While these skyscrapers are designed to withstand heavy weather, extreme storms bring unknown risks. Could a storm this powerful put the structural integrity of the building to the test? And what about the people inside? How do they handle it? Storm Yagi formed in the Western Pacific, gathering speed and strength as it traveled towards the city. As the storm approached, its winds reached hurricane-level intensity. The city braced itself as Yagi's path became clear, and there was only one question on everyone's mind. How would the tallest building handle the oncoming force of nature? Engineers and meteorologists closely monitored the storm, while locals prepared for impact. And then, it happened. Storm Yagi made direct contact with the tallest building. The building swayed as it was designed to do, but even the most prepared witnesses couldn't hide their fear. The winds howled at over 100 miles per hour, and the rain came down in sheets, pelting the windows and creating a surreal scene. At this moment, it was clear. This was a test of nature versus human engineering. After the storm passed, it was time to assess the damage. While the building remained standing, the surrounding area wasn't so lucky. Streets were flooded, trees were uprooted, but the skyscraper had once again shown its resilience. This encounter proved that even in the face of extreme weather, modern engineering can still stand tall. If you found this video as thrilling as we did, let us know in the comments. Have you ever experienced an extreme weather event? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and check out our other videos on wild weather and incredible travel experiences. See you next time, explorers.